Supreme Court's a big move on strays and cattle. Supreme Court says remove cattle from national highways. Also asking states and union territories to fill lapses. This is in connection to the stray dog petition that is being heard by the Apex Court at this point. Remove stray dogs from public and government institutions is something that the Supreme Court has said. In fact, three big steps being taken by the Apex Court to deal with the strays and cattle. States and union territories to fill lapses highlighted by court-appointed lawyer in implementation of August 22 order in 8 weeks. Remove cattle from national highways. So certain directives that have been given by the Apex Court in connection to the stray dog petition. Let's go straight across to Nupur. Nupur, some big directives and observations made by the Apex Court in connection to the stray dog issue. Take us through the details.
This is in fact a very big development in the ongoing issue with regards to the stray dogs and cattle menace in the country. The top court now has directed all the states and union territories to firstly implement all the ABC rules that it had directed in its earlier August 22 order, which includes sterilization, vaccination and relocation of dogs in the same area where they were picked up from now. But the exception that has been created today by the top court is that the dogs which are picked from public institutions, government hospital, educational institutions, schools, colleges, or even for that matter bus stops, public or railway stations, those dogs will be sent to shelter homes. They will not be sent back to the places they were picked up for sterilization and vaccination. So this is in fact a very big development that now the Supreme Court is aiming to make public institutions and public places stray dogs free. Secondly, the Supreme Court has also issued directions reaffirming the Rajasthan High Court order, which had directed that all strays, which includes cattle also like cows, we often spot on national highways, to be removed from national highways immediately. From now, this has to be implemented nationwide by all the state and union territory governments, that national highways should remain cattle free and stray dog free, and the top court has issued detailed directions on how the state governments must comply with it, appoint nodal officers for these directions, and has also sought a compliance report within 8 weeks on all these three directions.